Okay, so now we've got a similar problem as the one we just did. And when we do this tends to trip my students up a little bit when x is in the denominator or x is the divisor. I'm not sure why exactly it trips them up, but it does, and that's okay. We essentially do the exact same thing, which is multiply. X is a number, right? In the end, we're going to get this. X equals a number, which means x is something that we can multiply by. We just don't know what that number is just yet, which is okay. So we're going to multiply both sides by x. Those cancel out, and we get 15 equals 30x divided by 40. Then we would multiply both sides by 40. And 40 divided by 40 cancels out. And 40 times 15 is going to be, 40 times 10 is 400. 40 times 5 is 200. So 400 plus 200 is 600. Do that. 600 equals 30x. Then we'll divide both sides by 30. And x would equal 20. So that would be our final answer. So I want to try one more thing here. We can simplify this process a little bit. We can start taking a shortcut. And instead of doing this in 2 steps, where we get x equals 20, we can just do this all in one big step, which is called cross multiplication. So instead of doing it in 2 steps, we could say, well, I'm going to multiply both sides by x, and I'm going to multiply both sides by 40. So we can just jump right to that step and say, let's write that a little clearer. 30x equals 600. Then we divide by 30 and get x equals 20. That is called cross multiplying.